How to unhide post from Craigslist. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unhide posts from Craigslist. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Craigslist. After you open up your Craigslist, what you can do is here on the left sidebar, you'll find event calendar. Tap on it. And after you're on event calendar, here you will see the favorite section on the top. Here, all you have to do is tap on favorites. And after you're on your favorites, there you should see the list of your favorites post. Now, what we are interested in is the hidden option on the top. Here you will see the hidden folders. Tap on it to head over there. Now, what you can do to unhide these is there you will see unhide option right besides those posts. So all you have to do is tap on unhide and do the same right here. And after that, you can refresh your hidden folder and head back. And that's basically how you can unhide hidden posts. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.